In this video, we will make a comparison between Unity and Unreal game engines. Both Unity and Unreal are powerful game engines with their own unique features and advantages. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your individual needs as a game developer. In order to help you make an informed decisions, here is an objective comparison of Unity and Unreal in various aspects. First aspect is the ease of use. Unity is generally considered to be more user-friendly and easier to learn for beginners. Its interface is intuitive and it offers wide range of online resources and tutorials to help a new user get started. Unreal, on the other hand, can be more challenging to learn due to its more complex interface and advanced features. So Unity get the mark on this one. Platform support. Both Unity and Unreal are compatible with multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. However, Unity has a wider support for additional platforms such as Linux, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and WebGL, whereas Unreal supports only some of these platforms. So Unity gets marks here too. Graphics. Unreal's advanced graphic capability are one of its standout features. It uses powerful graphics engines that support high-quality graphics, lighting, and particle effects. Unity graphics capability are also impressive, but not quite as advanced as Unreal's. So Unreal gets the mark here. Scripting. Both engines use different scripting languages. Unity uses C#, which is relatively easy to learn and has larger user community, while Unreal uses C++, which can be more challenging to learn but offers more flexibility and control. So both Unity and Unreal get marks on this one. Asset Store. Unity's Asset Store is one of the key features, offering a vast selection of pre-made assets, plugins, and scripts that can be easily imported into your project. Unreal also has its own marketplace with assets, but is not as extensive as Unity's, so Unity get the mark here. Cost. Both Unity and Unreal are free to use for personal and small business purposes. Unity currently has more options with a $399 a year per seat for the Plus subscriptions, while Unreal Enterprise Program costs $1,500 per seat a year. However, Unity requires paid licenses for certain advanced features, such as real-time rendering and custom splash screens. The price for both engines may change from time to time with more options, so make sure to check the latest available subscription options for both. On this one, I think both will get marks. Community. Both Unity and Unreal have large and active communities for users and developers, offering support on resources for troubleshooting, learning, and others. However, Unity community is generally larger and more active, so Unity gets the mark here. Overall, this is just my personal opinion, and I have a bias as a Unity user. The choice between Unity and Unreal will depend on your individual needs and preferences as a game developer. Unity is a great choice for beginners and those looking for more user-friendly interface and compatibility, while Unreal is ideal for more advanced users who need greater control over their game's graphics and performance. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and click the notifications button to help me make more videos like this.